as you know, in Washington, we do get a lot of rain, and I have been to houses where there is just way too much moss overgrowth, and I've seen leaks caused because of it. And so one of the most important things that you can do to save a ton of money is maintain your roof. It sounds like something super simple, but so many people don't do it. So what we're gonna do today, or what Rob and Johnny are gonna do today, is show you how you can maintain your roof and save yourself a crap ton of money.
In this session, we're gonna talk about roof maintenance, gutters, and all your plumbing stacks and your vents for your furnace and water heaters. The biggest thing in Washington is moss buildup on a roof.
A little moss is okay, but trying to stay ahead of the moss, getting rid of the moss, is going to greatly improve the life of the roof and the quality of the material that's being used on the roof.
And stuff we use on our own houses, and it's a pretty popular item. It's Moss Beware, and you can just put this on, let it sit for a little while, and it helps you easily brush off the moss. Because again, you don't want to be rough to your shingles or use a pressure washer. This stuff really helps. You should never use a pressure washer to get the moss off your roof, because it's going to damage your roof and shorten the life of it. Here we have a appliance vent, and you just want to make sure there's no rust buildup on any of these items. You want to make sure your caulking is in good shape. You probably have to maintain and replace that caulking every 2 or 3 years is probably recommended. Gutters are a big part of maintaining a roof, and then not only the roof, the foundation. So you don't want water coming down at your foundation, constantly just dripping down. So we recommend an annual cleaning of your roof and your gutters. Here in the Pacific Northwest, you'll probably want to do that 2 or 3 times a year. Buildup of leaves, debris, and then water on your gutters can actually have them detach. So again, a roof is one of the most expensive things to replace on a home. And at some point, if you own the home long enough, you're going to have to replace the roof. But the better you maintain it and have it serviced, the longer it's going to last. The roof start at $7,000 and can go all the way up to $20,000, $30,000. It really depends on how big your house is. To see a list of all of our services we provide, you can go to prosserinspections.com and look on our services area, and you'll see all of our annual home maintenance inspections, our buyer inspections, and our pre-sale inspections.
So we just learned how to save yourself a crap ton of money by taking care of your roof on an annual basis. Stay tuned for the next video, and for more information about annual home maintenance tips, go to linneacarver.com and download annual home maintenance tips.